Forno Appliances introduces you to the 30-inch 1116 Espresso gas range. The range brings professional styling and performance into your kitchen with its durable stainless steel design. Massive steel handle that complements any kitchen decor with a large viewing window. There are 6 zinc-coated metal control knobs with bezel rings for enhanced durability and a sophisticated look. Continuous cast iron grates provide even heat distribution and stable cookware mobility, enhancing cooking performance and safety. The deep recessed cavity of the black enamel subsurface not only looks great, but is designed to be easy to clean, with no cracks for crud to collect, contains spills for quick cleanups. The 5 sealed burners provide cooking flexibility, adjustable output from 3,500 to 12,000 BTU, catering to a variety of cooking needs from high heat searing to gentle simmering. The oven capacity is a spacious 5 cubic feet. The glow bar igniter ignites the oven, giving you a force of 15,000 BTU, ensuring precision and even cooking. This range also features a hidden bake burner to prevent spills and odors, making cleanup effortless. The bottom bake element is started with glow bar igniter and powers up to 7,500 BTU. Features an interior convection fan for even heat distribution. 2 bright oven lights make it easy to see baking progress of any recipe. There are 2 adjustable electroplated racks that will support the heaviest of items cooked. Comes equipped with a cast iron black wok ring holder. All Forno range include an LP kit for simple conversion from natural gas over to liquid propane power. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.